Let's take a tour of the JXL interface, where everything lives and the basics to get started. We'll cover how to actually use each feature in a future video. This one's just an overview. At the top, we have the Sheet Switcher and Sheet Details. Use the Sheet Switcher to organize your sheets. You can create folders to keep them neat and tidy. To create a folder, go into Edit mode and click into a sheet's title. In front of the sheet's name, type a name for your folder, followed by 2 forward slashes. That creates a new folder and puts the active sheet inside automatically. Click the sheet details to see who created the sheet, when it was updated, and a description of the sheet. Along the top row, you can star to favorite a sheet, use Edit mode to move things around the way you want, Manage Access allows you to control who can view or edit a sheet. Share, Embed, and Export let you share sheets with others. And Enter Full Page lets you clear away Jira's native UI features. There's also Personal Sheet Settings. Personal Sheet Settings have a few preferences worth knowing. You can open work items in a new tab automatically instead of a dialog, get prompted before a bulk, clear, or paste goes through, and send yourself email notifications when you edit a work item. Right below that, along the second row of buttons, you can set the table density to adjust your row height, refresh the table data, switch between saved views, sum up for totals, grouping, hierarchy, and structures roll your data up in different ways, from a simple grouping to a fully customized layout, plus ranking to reorder items, and conditional formatting to color code columns and rows. And there's a Find option to help you search the entire sheet. The table is your actual data. Each row is a work item, and columns are fields. Hover over any column header to sort and filter that column's data, or use the More menu to add, remove, or configure that column. This is where you can freeze columns. To freeze a column so it stays in view while you scroll, hover over its header, open the menu, and choose Freeze Columns up to here. Along the bottom, you have item and space counts for your current scope, and a scope pop-up to see exactly what your sheet is showing. To the right, you'll see the same icons from the toolbar above: structures, grouping, filter, and the rest. But here they double as status indicators. Lit up means the feature's active. Click any one to turn it off without hunting back through the toolbar. One more thing worth knowing: Command-click on Mac or Control-click on Windows on any work item's key opens it in a new browser tab instead of navigating away from your sheet. That's the full tour. Whatever you need to do in JXL, now you know where to find it.